Hey, this is my 2003 Camry. I want to show you, I am going to put on a new gas cap today. So I ordered one of these, got it on from eBay, and it's a genuine Toyota gas cap. So let me unpack this thing. Okay, so let's take a look at what we got here. Whoops. Let's see, so... Oh, that looks nice and very new here. Okay, so let me open this lid up here. So I'm going to open this up and see if we hear anything, you know, like a sound. Oh yeah, it went whoop, and it's gurgling. So sounds like it has kept pressure for a number of days here. And oh look, the hey, that's kind of like rusted right there. So that's not necessarily so good. So let's check this out here. This is the old one, this is the new one. Yeah, definitely this old gasket is doesn't look new and fresh. It looks a little, definitely a little brittle maybe. And the new one looks nice and fresh. So anyways, we'll just put this on. That's the new one. Oh, what's this for? Hey, the old one doesn't have that little thing there. Wonder where that goes. Well, we'll figure it out. Okay, so I'm gonna put this in. And there we go. And oh, I know. I bet this thing goes right in this little spot. Push it in. Boop. Oh, there you go. So if I take it out, it goes like that. Okay, so let's see what this old one sounded like when I put it in. It's like a, not as, that's interesting. Let's check this out. The sound is, this one's got more clicks. It comes off, ooh, that snaps off. Very interesting. So there we go. New one's on. And we'll see how this works. Hello, it's the next day. And it's really a beautiful day out. It's about 85 degrees, but this wind is blowing and you can see the, the leaves. Cars driving by, leaves going and making shadows on the car. But anyways, last night as I was putting the video together, I said, man, this thing is so dirty and filthy, I can't stand it inside here. So what I did was this morning, opened it up. I took some Meguiar's, stuff that I use to wash my cars with, some warm water and a bucket, a microfiber cloth, and a couple of Q-tips. And I was able to get all that dirt and stuff out of here. So it's looking really nice. And then to protect it, I went through my garage and I found I had a little bit of this turtle wax stuff left. And so I said, okay, well, we'll just spray that on and wax it. So everything now is really, really smooth. It's protected and looks very nice inside here. My next step is got to get under the engine bay. I've done a lot of detailing on the inside of this car because the people that owned it previously had spilled coffee everywhere, on the floors, on the seats. It was crazy. So I managed to get a lot of that out, and so now I'm going to work on the outside and get under that engine bay and start detailing things. But anyways, this is what it looks like now, nice and spiffy. There's the nice new thing. Have a great day.